Today, more than 1 crore oranges have arrived at this massive factory. Workers and machines race against time to process this enormous harvest. Truck after truck unloads millions of oranges, creating a continuous river of fruit flowing into the factory. The oranges enter a massive washing system, where powerful water jets clean every fruit before processing.
After cleaning, every orange is inspected and sorted to maintain production quality.
Now the extraction process begins. Powerful machines squeeze millions of oranges into fresh juice. Fresh juice flows through giant pipelines into enormous storage tanks for further processing. The juice is blended and prepared using large-scale industrial systems. The freshly processed orange juice now enters the bottling section. Through a network of giant pipelines, the juice reaches high-speed filling machines that fill thousands of bottles every minute. The finished drink is bottled at incredible speed before moving to packaging. Millions of bottles are stored and prepared for delivery across the country.